Come here. This is Boris. I show you how make dry bread. Very good taste, let's go. Yes, Boris! Step number 1, you need want this warm place, and on top you clean this off. Now you ask why someone need dry bread. With dry bread you actually feel something in mouth. But you just make garlic bread, who knows? Some people have luxury of finding this in the kitchen already dried because they're lazy. Look at this soft. Your finger could throw this, what is this? I want soft to go bedroom for pillow. It's very important thing to keep watch of time, how much time. Because you wait long enough, блин, you turn back to flour. Матрошка here to guide the whole process. Come on, блин. You have make this triangle shape for best result. And now this come most important step. Is you have to watch clock accurate. Unless you want make rock again. Not this Блять. Better be cool with my money. Катя, you're back! Давай, let's go celebrate. Блять, this will left my phone. А, сука, what is this? Хуя this bread here, блять. А, говно useless. Dry bread, блин. Эй, this where left you. 1 o'clock on you. По-чешски, кстати, блин. Да, fine, эти dark tasty bread, блять, луковой бабушки. Опа! Давай, let's searching for breakfast. Чё за хуйня, блядь? Sure there was 3 of this. В один? But how? And this is how you make dried bread. With some losses, I guess. Well, thank you for watching. Stay чик-брики. See you next time.